So everyone, thanks for joining. I'm Nate from AWE, and we're excited to showcase some of the most exciting companies in the Expo Hall this year. So we'll be stopping by 18 companies, and we really appreciate you joining us. We're actually going to be turning around and going into the Niantic Lounge. So let's head that way right now.
Yeah, pro level. You don't need to speak loud. Bring the speaker.
All right, let's funnel on the left-hand side, everyone. Find some space.
And be able to see and interact with these virtual players in the world right next to you.
All right.
So think about the combination of AR and VR and how that can potentially expand very quickly the number of people who can share an experience at the same time. That is the goal of shared AR.
Welcome, everybody.
And that is,
Paul, do you want to mic?
Hey media, thanks so much for joining us today. My name is Hollowlight. My pronouns are they, them, and I lead our Niantic developer community. I also lead our Niantic Innovation Lab. So here at Niantic and in this lounge today, we are powering AR everywhere all at once. So as you probably know, at Niantic, we inspire folks to get out to explore the world around them with Eighth Wall, Web AR, and the traditional app-based Niantic games and the tools that built them. So today we're announcing 4 pieces of news. Maybe you caught some of this in BAM's keynote just now, but we have news about our ARDK integration, so our AR developer kit with Unity, and our Lightship maps as well. The same maps that we use in our games to orient players are now available to developers. We're talking about metaversal deployment today, which allows you to build once in Web AR and deploy on any device. And then also shared AR, so multiplayer AR that can bring many people together to share an AR experience. Okay, so Lightship ARDK 3.0 is a better integration with Unity. So Unity devs can now choose the tools that work best for them in their AR projects. So the best in class of Unity and the best in class of Niantic Lightship. Additionally, we have Lightship maps. So these same maps that orient players in our games are now available to Unity developers so they can use these in their projects as well. The data comes back so that the maps get better for everyone's experiences. And I'm very excited to introduce Wall. Let's see if it's playing. There we go. So Wall is a Gen AI powered owl who is ready to drop a lot of knowledge about the redwood forest on you. It's meant to demonstrate our ability to use Web AR, Eighth Wall, and build once and deploy to any device. So you can all demo Wall across on this side of the wall and talk to the owl about the redwood forest. I even asked the owl about their gender yesterday. This owl knows a lot. So please take advantage of that demo today. And then did we move to the next one? There we go. We are on mobile devices today, but we are extending this to headsets. As you'll see with Wall, that is on the MetaQuest Pro. And our vision is that users are on any device, but sharing an AR experience with multiple people. And I'm excited to tell you that we just wrapped the first cohort of the Niantic Innovation Lab yesterday, which focused on AR and AI. And our next cohort is going to focus on the intersection of AR and HMDs as well. Please come back with any questions that you may have. We have experts here to jump in and go on a deep dive with you. Thanks so much.
All right, well, we're going to be following Matt in the purple shirt over there and heading into the Expo Hall. Follow me.
Representative, how do you buy digital card?
All right. Where's the microphone?
It's coming right behind
All right, cool. Hello there.
Hey.
Hello. Oh wow. Oh wow. Do you guys
What
even
we'll do,
fit?
guys, let's wrap around all the way here.
Come on, come on around. All the way around.
Wow.
All the way around. All right, let's go. All the way around.
All the way around.
All the way around. Hey, thanks.
Flip the switch whenever you're ready.
Flip the switch.
You got this, man.
I am ready. All right, everyone, come on around. I'll try to make it short and sweet for you all. All right. Is everyone good? Everyone's good? All right, let's go. Hello. Oh, wow. Oh, dedicated guy bringing a speaker with him. Great. Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Jamin Hu. I'm the CTO of this startup called Doublepoint that you see over here. So what I'm holding in my hand right now is, a couple of things, but the most important thing, which I would draw your attention to, is this MetaQuest Pro. Now, the MetaQuest Pro represents the pinnacle of what is basically almost usable, very usable augmented reality. Some things that that your grandmother or your mother who has no idea what AR is can wear and start using. But it comes with a catch, right? The catch is that it's very big and heavy. There's 5 cameras on them, there's like, how on earth are we going to get this sort of interaction from this form factor into anything resembling the size of what I'm wearing right now, something that you can wear in your everyday? Well, my point of talking to you today is to show you that Doublepoint has developed software that can be put on existing smartwatches, extremely efficient software, existing hardware that can detect touch events, as you can see over here. And you can turn that into intuitive interactions for light headsets and make it super affordable. Now, let me give you an example. So here you can see that you can, for example, replace hand tracking based point and select entirely with just the watch. The ray that you can see here is being tracked by the watch, but we use the same sensor that's used to track the ray to detect the moment you pinch your fingers together to select. So now you have a general purpose point and select, which is very ubiquitous with the MetaQuest Pro, for example, without the need for any cameras at all. And if you really want to take it to the next level, you can combine it with eye tracking to make the ultimate point and select device. You literally just look at what you want to select and you tap your fingers to select. It's ultimate because it's faster than even the common computer mouse that everyone knows how to use. And the third example is one where we can combine it with mediocre hand tracking to make anything into a touch interface. If you want to try any of these, you can come here to the booth. But maybe one last thing I want to let you know is that this is so important for the industry to make interactions light and affordable that we're happy to announce we're working with Qualcomm to optimize these algorithms for their wearable chipset. We have 3 demos set up over here. If you want to try it yourself and really feel what it's like to interact with future interfaces, welcome. And any questions, we're happy to answer as well. Thank you very much.
Over here for RP1.
Thank you.
That's great. Oh, yeah, of course. How are you? Yeah, great. Great to meet you. Yeah, good to meet you.
Thanks, Nate. Just flip the switch when you're ready.
Welcome, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. You know what? This is a very exciting time for the XR industry, and I'm sure that's why I see a massive crowd, especially from the press, especially with next week, with Apple saying the future is going to be all about immersion and the future of the 3D internet. And so think about how exciting times. So if you think about what is the metaverse, imagine if everyone that built a website was able to roam around and say, I just built the internet. That'd be quite comical, right? The internet is a base of standards and protocols that allow all these websites and browsers to work together in a single ecosystem. The metaverse is the ability to go into a single persistent world and be connected to everyone on the planet going in and out of different immersive experiences. The challenge is that we're unable to scale. And what does scale mean? If you think about social media connects billions of people all over the planet. The problem is it is asynchronous, meaning it's not real time. When you move to real-time technology like the gaming engines Unreal and Unity, you're stuck with anywhere from 15 to 100 people in a single instance. So we're not able to connect everyone on the planet. This is why everyone believes the metaverse is decades away, waiting on hardware or quantum computing to solve the problem. RP1 have revolutionary, extremely efficient software that is solving this today. We're able to scale well beyond everyone on the planet in a single architecture, connecting all applications together, streaming on the web. The metaverse is going to be a conversion of streaming on the web, meaning you don't have to download a pre-compiled and install on your phone. You go directly to a website and it streams instantly, sharing everything together and connecting everyone on the planet in more immersive experiences. I'd like to invite every single one of you to come actually demo and feel immersion for the very first time, where we actually have a large 1 square kilometer space with thousands of people interacting with each other. And this is scalable to everyone on the planet. And so I look forward to having you all here, and we can discuss that we can actually unlock the true vision of the future iteration of the internet. Thank you so much, everyone.
All right, everyone. We are going next door to Sony Music. One booth over.
Hey.
Just flip the switch when you're ready.
Okay. Here. Thank you everyone for stopping by, and thank you the AW team for setting up the stage for us. So we are Project PV from Sony Music Entertainment Japan. And our project name PV stands for From Physical to Virtual. And we are all about bringing physical stuff into digital space and making a new form of entertainment out of that venture. So we all gather here at this AWE to discuss the exponential possibility of metaverse digital space, but common challenges that we have is the continual flow of content, excitement, and engagement of users. And what we prepare for that is the 3D scan solution and data bank. The application we have in our mind is some of you may be, as a kid or even now, big fan of, say, a toy franchise or fashion doll, and you have a collection of items that you really cherish. But what if you can scan them and make it digital and put it into a metaverse space, and have a possibility of engaging with a global fan community, like-minded people like yourself. So what we prepare is, one is the 3D high-end solution using Sony's Alpha camera, and the other is a more easy-to-use smartphone-based scan solution that we are working with our partner company named Wogo. And at this booth, we have a mock-up of the high-end solution, and also we can happily show you the demo of the mobile scan solution. And as a application image, we have this prototype concept mock-up of metaverse museum space, in which we have a few selection of scanned images of like these figures and this robot, some stuffed dolls that you can enjoy if you visit us during the show hours. So please, thank you for your attention, and please visit us later during the show hours.
All right, everyone, we're going to be following Matt over there with his hand up. We've got a little bit of a wall. Very. All right, everyone, here we are. We'll make some space around here for SenseGlove. Everybody's there? Hey, we have a mic for you over here. There we go. Oh, okay. There we go. Just flip the switch when you're ready. No rush. We'll wait for people to get here. Oh, sorry about that. Get out your way. Same guys.
Comment over here. Good morning. Welcome to SenseGlove. At SenseGlove, we make the virtual feel like it's real. With our products, you can touch a digital environment and have natural interactions inside virtual reality. Today, I want to introduce you to the Nova 2, our second iteration of our Nova product line, developed together with our 500 clients. They really valued our first Nova for its lightweight capabilities and the ease of use. And of course, about all the haptic capabilities that it had, predominantly the force feedback on the fingertips. However, they missed one particular feature, and that was touch at the palm, at the inside of your hand. So that's the reason why with the Nova 2, we have developed this active contact feedback strap. So this strap presses against my hand and at the palm of my hand. And that together with the force feedback really allows me to feel the digital objects in the size and the density of it. So not only on the fingertips, but over my whole hand. This is the first prototype that I'm wearing. And from today on, we're taking pre-orders and the product will go into a production phase. We expect to deliver the product in Q4 this year to our customers. And at the same time, we discount our Nova 1 product. What you need to remember is that this is the best haptic, lightweight force feedback glove that allows you to have fully natural interactions inside virtual reality for enterprises that want to scale VR training. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day here at WWE.
Go back for the demo. All right, everyone, we're going to be turning around, learning about some medical work at Fundamental VR. Just flip the switch over here.
Good morning, everyone. My name's Richard Vincent. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Fundamental VR. Thanks for stopping by. Our platform, Fundamental Surgery, is a training and education platform for skills transfer in surgery and health-related actions. When you think about how surgery and medical procedures are taught, it hasn't changed much for 150 years. It's a pretty simple system of apprenticeship, follow, to see one, do one, teach one. It's really inefficient. What we're doing at Fundamental VR is virtualizing that whole system with our platform, Fundamental Surgery. We're using a number of different VR systems, from standalone VR, such as the Meta 2 and Meta 3 that's just been announced, through to a full haptic VR system, as you see being demonstrated here, that delivers full kinesthetic haptic feedback. So giving you the sense of touch, weight, resistance, flow, along with the presence of being within that operating room, virtually operating on that virtual patient. Now, the efficacy of this type of training has been proven and again through validated studies showing 200+% increase in the speed of skills acquisition. So this is a really meaningful way of changing the dynamic of the healthcare marketplace, increasing access to good surgery across the world. Our system is delivered already in over 30 countries, and it's not a future system, it's live today. We work with leaders in the market like Novartis, Abiomed, J&J, Houston Methodist, and many other institutions to deliver this type of training today into their healthcare professionals, their nursing staff, their surgeons, and their support staff. Today at the show, we're also announcing Fundamental Core, which is our software development system that allows any developer to build surgical simulation and publish into our fundamental surgery system. So it's a real big step forward, allowing people to use both our haptic systems, our visual systems, and all of the other elements that deliver really winning, groundbreaking virtual reality training experiences. And ones that have been recognized in the field. We've just recently been awarded the Frost & Sullivan's Global VR Surgical Simulation Company of the Year for 2023, amongst many other awards that we've received. There's lots to show, and I hope during today, if you can get a chance to come back, please do. We'd love to give you a hands-on demonstration of either the simple procedural system using a standalone headset, or the more advanced haptic system using our haptic VR system within the fundamental surgery platform. So thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see you later on today.
That. All right, everyone, we're going to be going wrapping around the Hollowlight. We'll follow Matt right here.
Switch on?
There's a few people coming.
Let's wait a second until everybody's here. Okay.
Hi everyone, we are Hollowlight and we empower enterprises to scale their XR use cases by providing a platform and technology to stream AR VR applications. My name is Luis Bollinger and I'm co-founder and chief marketing officer at Hollowlight. Every future AR VR content will be streamed, that's what we believe. And I'll give you two reasons why this is the case. First of all, the performance of mobile XR devices is limited, and this heavily affects the user experience and the quality of the content that we can visualize in AR VR. And second, we want more and more XR users, and that's why we need to find ways to scale XR applications. Our solution, XR Now, and the technology we provide solves these issues. You see here my colleagues interacting in a collaborative session, and they are visualizing content, in this case a Raptor engine, with 30 million polygons. This is exceeding the limit of hardware by 30. Usually you have a limit of 1 million polygons you can visualize. And as you can see, the content looks much more detailed and in high quality. And this is just a 3D CAD model, but think also about CT scans. Think about a gaming experience that has to be realistic. So streaming is absolutely necessary to have a great AR VR experience. And how are we going to do this? We basically outsource the application from the device to the cloud and stream the content from a place where we have more performance. Our technology is used already by leading enterprises like BMW Group, by Procter & Gamble, Denso and Danfoss. And they are working with this technology because they want to have their content in high quality. We are working in the automotive industry, aerospace, defense, manufacturing, because here we see a lot of use cases that can benefit from this technology. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to meet us upstairs in our private room 205 at 1 p.m. today, where we have blocked a 1-hour slot for you guys to check out the experience and test it yourself. It's right next to the press room, so very easy to find. Stop by after the press tour, and I wish you a great AWE. Thanks for stopping by.
Hi everyone, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Tillfive. So Tillfive, we produce the widest field of view AR glasses, 110-degree field of view, plus we make the tools to create content for our system as well. Our system is games first, so we designed the system to serve the gaming market, and by doing that, we made a very collaborative system where you can have any number of people around the table collaborating, and it's also turned out to be a great enterprise tool because at our price point of $350 to get started makes it affordable. You can buy a dozen of our headsets for the price of the other systems out there. So over here you can see Devin and our team, they're doing a collaboration in a CAD tool which we introduced just a couple months ago. Lets you load your own CAD models. We also have medical imaging tools So I encourage you guys to come back and check the system out. It's pretty amazing.
We are now going next door to InterDigital and Philips. So to the right, find some space.
Very cool.
Hi, I'm Valérie Allier. I'm leading the InterDigital Video Solution Group of our Research and Innovation Organization. InterDigital business model is rooted in research and innovation. Our world-class engineers develop advanced technologies and contribute to global standards to define the future of wireless communication and video. We are pleased to work with Philips in a research collaboration on immersive codec, video-based immersive codec, to allow volumetric video content and immersive content like XR. We are pleased to be back at AWE to showcase our continuing contribution in this field. Volumetric video is really important for the user to be immersed in the content, to get a more natural viewing with dynamic user viewpoints. So volumetric video is a critical component to enjoy and create immersive content, but it requires significant bandwidth. That's why compression is crucial to achieve sustainable data rates. And in this field, the standards like MPEG v3C allows to reach these targets and to enable interoperability among new emerging immersive experiences. Here, we demonstrate the first implementation of the MPEG v3C decoding platforms, allowing real-time streaming, decoding, and rendering of volumetric content, supporting both point cloud data and multi-view plus depth immersive content. Our latest Unity plugin implementation is ready for industry evaluation.
Hi, I'm Ronald Szymanowski, responsible for business development and licensing of volumetric video technologies at Philips Intellectual Property and Standards, in short Philips IP&S. We believe that real video-based volumetric content has the potential to offer more natural and realistic feel to immersive XR experiences and engagements. On top of showcasing volumetric video that is pre-captured and streamed according to the V3C standard, rendered on different devices with different operating systems, we also showcase real-time live two-way streaming in a video conferencing setup between two laptops, demonstrating a new video conferencing use case on a 2D and a 3D simulated reality display. For XR environments that combine different types of sources and types of content, we have two gaming examples to demonstrate that using MPEG scene description and MPEG haptics technologies. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, we invite you back to our booth number 520, and we're happy to answer all your questions and show you our demos. Thank you very much for your interest.
All right, we're officially halfway through, and we're going to be moving on to micro OLED.
Hello. Hello. Thanks for taking a minute to check out Micro OLED. For those of you who aren't familiar with our company, we are the largest manufacturer of micro displays outside of Asia. We're based in France. Our announcement at the show was our new multicolor display. What's important about this display is that it is the most efficient, lowest power display anywhere, 3 milliwatts. What that means is our eyewear can work continuously for a minimum of 12 hours, up to 24 hours of continuous use, in 36-gram package. There is no other product in the world today that has that spec. So we're working toward a world where people can have all-day AR with incredible efficiency, and I'm here to tell you it's here today, and it's not just a concept or a prototype. The eyewear samples we have on the table are actually available for purchase on a direct-to-consumer business today. Please come by. We have a sample of the full color display. Be glad to do a demo and also show you all of the products that are available today. Another interesting thing is our development platform enables any iOS or Android developer to put real-time data from existing apps into the eyewear today. No new platform. Developers can use the iOS and Android development platforms they already know to get data from the phones that they already love into eyewear today. A good developer can have a prototype in one day. It is by far the easiest platform to deploy for the fastest adoption, and these retail not $1,000, not $500, $329 today. Come check them out. Thank you. Wow, a tiny bit of applause. I appreciate that. Thank you. Wow.
Blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise.
Oh no, it's Carl. No, I'm kidding. I know you've already heard it. You guys can stand back here if you want. Be part of the team.
Been recognizing you.
Oh, you guys are joking. That's a lot of press.
Still plenty of space over here, everyone.
Are you going to let me know when to start, or just wait when they come? All right. Hey, brother, how are you?
How you doing, buddy?
That's good. Hey, how are you? All right, everyone here? Hi, my name's Nima Shams. I'm the General Manager and VP of Digilens. Digilens is a technology company that's been around for 15 years working on the hardest element, which is a waveguide. How do you get a sheet of glass to be fully transparent, but yet be photorealistic imagery to the eye? Extremely thin. So this is the core technology of Digilens. We manufacture and print our waveguide technology. However, how do you get the light into it? So we've invented what we believe to be one of the smallest LCOS LED projector. This is a full HD LCOS LED projector that couples into the waveguide and creates that image. The third missing link was the compute. So we've partnered with Qualcomm. This is a full Snapdragon XR2 chipset integrated. So you take all three of these and you create an augmented reality glasses. This is an all-in-one industrial-grade augmented reality glasses called Argo. It is launching later this year. It's fully integrated. If you guys come back, which I hope all of you do, you will get to see this and play with it. We are going to show you spatial locked anchors, hand gestures, inside-out tracking, everything built into a device like this. I love modeling glasses, so. Anything else? Any questions?
Put it back on. Put it back on.
You want to put it back on? All right, let's put it back on. Hey, someone, can you put this on too? So we show both versions. So we have, this is a platform. So you can attach different types of sensors on it. You can wear it like Nick is doing there, where you could flip it up or down. Or you could wear it like this. And if you guys can see, this is not VR pass-through, so you actually see my eyes, right? I fully see you. I fully am engaged in my surrounding. I'm aware of my peripheral vision, and yet I have digital content floating or interacting in front of me. This is real AR. Cool? All right. Thank you, guys.
All right, everyone, we are heading 2 booths down to Horotech.
Is that good, man?
That's great.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Good morning and welcome to Porotech. So my name is Tong Tong Zhu. I'm the CEO of Porotech. So we are a micro LED display system provider and a global display fabless company that we provide the best and the most advanced micro LED display technologies for augmented realities and other applications as well. So today we are very thrilled to announce and present everyone with the world's first and only one fully monolithic, single panel, full color micro display that is available for everyone to develop as a platform technology to build devices on top. So here we're looking at a 0.26 diagonal full color micro display that have all the colors coming from a single panel. So not stacking, not color conversion, not complicated fabrication technologies. All the colors that you want to achieve, not just RGB, but also all the visible colors are coming from a single chip, a single LED that is able to mix and give the vibrant colors that's needed for all kind of user cases and user applications. So not only we provide the functionality and performance that required from the micro display for AR applications, but also we care about the integration and manufacturability. So with this all-in-one technology, all the colors from one single chip, that we are eliminating all the subpixels, all the manufacturing complexities that we do 8-inch to 8-inch manufacturing in the silicon standard fabrication capacity in Taiwan, that we are able to launch development kits and platform technologies and products for everyone and developers and the entire ecosystem to build devices building on top of this micro display platform. So thank you so much for your attention. We are here to answer any questions that you might have for us on this fully innovative full color micro display platform. But also we do have a wide portfolio and comprehensive set of products and demonstration kits for everyone to share. Single color, full color, so we have the full readiness able to work with the entire ecosystem to build XRs much quicker and speed up the development cycle. So thank you so much.
How insightful. How you like in. Oh, there you go. It's working. It's working. We literally said that 45 seconds ago.
Hey.
Hey guys, hi, I'm Tomer from Sightful, and it's a very exciting day. We have just announced Spaced Up, your 100-inch laptop that fits in your backpack, and we started our early access program where you can start ordering, purchasing on our site. So we care about you. We want to give you more space and time. As human beings, we were used to take our tools wherever we wanted, and the tools didn't change. Then digital revolution came, and we were bounded to where our PC was connected to the AC grid. But we're mobile creatures, so we fought that constraint and created mobile computing and laptops. But at some point, evolution stopped evolving, and that's where we are today. We're stuck in this linear constraint graph where we need to choose between mobility and productivity. And people want to practically work like this. How bizarre is that? So how can we solve this for you? So we worked tirelessly in the lab on the digital experience and on the physical experience, and iterated many prototypes to reach a product that we're super proud of. And by unleashing the pixel from the physical screen, we believe we can create a new point in the graph that is a 13-inch size laptop that gives you an uncompromised workstation of 100-inch canvas meets Spacetop. So every application deserves its screen, whether portrait, whether landscape. Spreadsheets need to be spread, right? So now you have that ability, and you can work from the comfort of your sofa, from your workstation, from a coffee shop, from a lounge, and collaborate with your colleagues very naturally. We're not that small boxes fighting for that real estate in that rectangle, but being more present and natural in the room. And it's not just about the collaboration, it's about working on flights, on trains, even in a small cramped space. You have that full privacy of your full workstation where nobody can peek over your shoulder, see your sensitive information. You can do all of your work in a very natural and productive way. So, I want to thank you, tell you, have a Sightful day. $2,000.
So make some space right up front over here. Plenty of space.
Nate. It's over here.
Just flip the switch when you're ready.
Sure.
How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Echo 3D and welcome to AWE. Super excited to be here. We are a cloud solution for 3D asset management. We allow you to store and stream 3D models from the cloud to any device. Thanks for the crowd, everyone. This is a great applause. I thought it's in my head. So basically, you can upload any 3D model to the cloud and then stream it to headsets, mobile devices, web browsers, anywhere. Today, we have over 60,000 developers on our platform who are using us to build games, and then there's advertisements and training and data visualization, and basically use all of our conversion and compression features to basically get 3D assets anywhere in the world. We have our amazing team here. Say hello. Flew in from New York yesterday, and we're super excited about this event. Echo has been around for a long time. We have a partnership with Qualcomm, who also invested in our company. We raised $9.5 million so far in multiple rounds, and we have really, really cool demos using their technology that you should definitely check out later. Come to our booth, get some swag, some chocolates, and some cool glasses and stickers. But it's a really, really cool solution that allows you to upload 3D assets and then stream them to any device out there. We're announcing two amazing new features in this AWE event, announcing an ultimate compression, basically allowing you to upload really, really, really large 3D models, almost like 1 gigabyte models, and damn, you can stream that and make that into a 1 megabyte model. So really, really kind of groundbreaking compression. And another feature around version control that you can basically upload any file that you want and trigger updates past and future. So imagine that you have a 3D application, a 3D game, and Christmas is coming up, and you want to change all the assets to be in a Christmas theme. You do that, you trigger the update, and that changes automatically through the cloud. Do you want to throw in something? Yeah, we have a raffle as well, so definitely join that as well. We're raffling some cool VR headsets, so come say hello, try it out. It's really, really cool, and it's a really cool way to basically experience the power of what a 3D cloud is. Thank you so much, and enjoy AWE.
Seattle. In Seattle. Yeah. Okay. Fantastic. Yeah. All right. Well, good luck to you.
Hey everyone, my name is Nima. I'm with Leia. We're the ultimate 3D experience platform. We make the best 3D displays in the entire world. We use AI and nanotechnology together to create the ultimate experience. The beauty of our devices is that they come with our patented diffractive light field backlighting displays.
These displays are the best kind of 3D you can get. They're fully switchable that lets you do 3D and 2D at the same time, and they're super comfortable, unlike any 3D you've ever experienced. Plus, you don't need any glasses. You just look at them and they're instantly in 3D. Beyond that, we also have our 3D AI technology, which takes any of your photos and videos and automatically converts them in real time into 3D. That means you don't have to make custom content for the device. It just runs in 3D automatically. Everything from your phone, from YouTube videos, Twitch, TikTok, etc., they all just run in 3D on the device. Beyond that, we have tons of amazing content on the platform as well. We've got third-party apps and games that developers have made for it. We have a huge creator content ecosystem, and we've opened up our Lapix Media Cloud, which lets anyone access our 3D AI technology and not only use it on our device, but also use it on others. The LoomPad 2 is our flagship device. This is a 12.4-inch tablet that has a 2560 by 1600 resolution display and a 120 hertz refresh rate. It has a Snapdragon 888 processor, and all of our AI technology runs on that chip in real time. It is truly an incredible experience. It also has a hardware ecosystem with our Loom connector, which is a magnetic connector on the bottom of the device, which is how it connects the Loom stand to charge. We've just launched a bunch of different features and products, including Moonlight 3D, which allows you to run PC games streamed over Wi-Fi directly to the tablet in 3D. I think that's an incredible experience that people are really going to love, and I can't wait until you guys get to try the device yourselves. It has a 3D camera on the front and the back of the device. The one on the back has 5K resolution per eye that it captures in full 3D. The front-facing camera also is high resolution, and you can use it for Leia chat, which allows you to do 3D video chatting between two LoomPad 2s. It's really an incredible experience, and you've never felt as connected as you have when you use Leia chat compared to other existing 2D solutions. It is a really incredible device. The switchability is super useful. That means all of your existing apps will run on it. Netflix, Slack, whatever you want, it'll run as a high-end luxury Android tablet, but it has that additional 3D AI content ecosystem as well on top of all that. It's a really incredible product. Thank you guys for coming, and I can't wait for you to try it. Thanks.
Oh, everybody!
It does look like we have the way it does it.
Hi everyone, my name is Zhen Qing, the founder of InterDigital. I'm glad to be here to introduce our widest field of view in the AR world. Our technology named the Mixed Waveguide, we are targeting wide field of view while remaining very slim lenses. Like this, we can make prescription lenses level AR glasses with a wide field of view, and also we are also targeting immersive level, which will be up to 120 degree field of view. That is the best number we can have in the AR world. With these new technologies, we can hybrid AR VR together. Before our solutions, there is only video see-through solutions can make AR VR together, like Meta Quest Pro, Quest 3, and maybe next week we will have some product from Apple. But video see-through is not good. I agree with Carl Guttag. Video see-through it sucks. So I'm gonna say that optical see-through is the best way for us to see AR VR together. Our system is just optical see-through. It's transparency. And while the field of view is big enough, we can make AR VR together in this way. While we have dimming solutions like this, we use liquid crystal dimming, so we can just close up the light to make it into VR mode. And we also have this kind of mechanical dimming. We will have a wider range of the dimming range, which will be from dark mode and bright mode, and will be better for us to have a friendly AR and VR hybrid together. So that is why our solution will be one of the best choice for the future AR VR hybrid together. And you might ask that, okay, this is another very expensive new technologies, but I'm going to tell you that we are just targeting the consumer level. So the new product with our solutions will cost only $300 to $800 to the retail market. So that is why we are working with more and more clients in the world to making the next generation AR glasses for the consumer market. Come back to my booth and I will give you a VIP tour through all of these 4 demos. After you try all of our demos, you will know why InterDigital's Mixed Waveguide optics will be the best AR wide field view optics in the world. Thank you everyone. Come back to me. I will be here waiting for you.
Thank you.
All right, folks, follow me. I'll give you a high five for that. Let's go around this way.
Okay, let's wait for everyone to get assembled.
People in this small space as we can.
Hello. I want you to think back to the last time you had your VR headset on. And I imagine that everything around you looked and sounded realistic. But I wonder if you had the urge, the inclination to use your hands to reach out and touch and feel the virtual world around you. Well, most people do. So welcome to haptics. Over the past 10 years, we've become the world leader in making virtual objects feel real. We sell our haptics gloves to customers all over the world for training and design applications and for robotics. Our customers include Nissan, Volkswagen, the US Army, Navy, and the Air Force, and robot customers like Sanctuary AI. This week at AWE, we are thrilled to introduce our multi-user haptics feature. So I want to direct your attention to the two users behind me. If you can swing around, you may be able to see them. You can see what they're doing on this screen. Because they're wearing haptics gloves, they can touch and feel the virtual world, but now with multi-user haptics, they can both touch the same objects at the same time and collaborate. They can even feel each other live in virtual reality. This is going to make VR so much more collaborative and productive. Now, I want you to watch them pass an object back and forth between each other. Imagine how much more collaborative and productive VR will be when we're all in VR, collaborating physically together. Now, I'm going to direct your attention to the mannequin here, which is showing off the new haptics gloves G1. This is the ultimate tool for touch in the enterprise. Sleeker design, wireless, 4 different glove sizes. The haptics gloves G1 is available for pre-order at haptics.com. Finally, we're pleased to share our booth this year at AWE with a world-class haptics customer. I'd like to introduce you to Josh Shabtai from Lowe's Innovation Labs.
All right, thanks, Joe. It's good to see everybody. All right, so Lowe's Innovation Labs, as the name suggests, we're the innovation center, the R&D arm for Lowe's Home Improvement retailer that I'm sure many of you shop at. Our team has been on a multi-year journey looking at how virtual and augmented reality can make home improvement easier for our customers, more fulfilling, more immersive, and really help take out the complexity of everything from buying toilets to designing your kitchen. Our work spans from highly exploratory to things we ship to customers at scale. And what you're gonna see today, and I hope you all have a chance to try it, is Infinite Kitchen Touch. This is an early stage prototype you can see over here where we're asking the question, can you imagine a future in which designing your home and getting inspiration for what your next kitchen could look like is not only something when you're at home you can not only see in stunning detail, but reach out and touch it. And what happens when you can touch a virtual kitchen? How do your memories change? How do they form? How do you build confidence? How do you get inspired? We're really excited about it. Again, it's an early stage prototype. We're about to send it into private user testing. All of you are among the first in the world to see it, and will be the first in the world to get your hands on it. So come on back. We'll get you in there, and can't wait to see what you have, what your experience is like. Thanks a lot.
What you get cooked here.
Yeah.
Anyone wants to schedule a demo? Oh, you guys are rock stars.
Oh, thank you.
What a great presentation.
Thank you.
I can see how you told all your skills.
Oh, we'd love to. We'd love to.
Hey. I'm back.
Thank you so much. Your hat is fabulous.
Your calls and like
Hi there, Nate.
Not too bad. How are you? I saw you had a jacket on.
my dick sticks are so warm.
It is.
Good morning, everyone. Woo. Hello. I'm Daniel Diaz. I'm the Chief Transformation Officer of Magic Leap. Welcome to the booth. Magic Leap is an augmented reality headset manufacturer. We've designed the Magic Leap 2 to be purpose-built for enterprise augmented reality applications. We focus on training applications, 3D visualization, and remote assistance applications focused on three main verticals: industrial manufacturing settings, healthcare, and the public sector, so first responders and defense. And we're seeing more and more interest in a growing need for this technology in the architecture, engineering, and construction space. Magic Leap 2 is incredibly lightweight device with about a 4-hour battery range. It's designed for all-day wear, and it's got everything built into it to overcome the barriers of adoption to augmented reality. It's typically been big, hot, clunky headsets, poor visuals, inability to read text, and inability to be used in brightly lit settings. And we have conquered each one of those things with Magic Leap 2 and are very excited about how it's being used. Ecosystem is developing really nicely, and training applications are becoming one of the #1 use cases for this device. We've seen that using augmented reality training scenarios helps reduce training time by about 80%. And in certain manufacturing scenarios, we're reducing waste on the factory line by 25%. More importantly, which is critical for manufacturing, people who are trained on these devices and using augmented reality to guide them through their workflow are 30% more engaged in their job and stay longer. And they're much easier to recruit because manufacturing now becomes a more high-tech job with this. With these headsets. So we are recruiting faster, training faster, reducing waste on the factory lines, and keeping employees longer, which is an incredible set of feats for manufacturing. Healthcare, 3D visualization is helping guide surgeons through procedures and increase the accuracy of things like knee replacement surgery and cardiac catheterization. Being able to visualize something in 3D in front of you instead of looking at it on a 2D screen helps offload a lot of the mental gymnastics physicians have to do as they're catheterizing a patient or performing a surgery. And we've seen incredible breakthroughs there. And on the first responder and military side, situational training. It's really difficult to train first responders in a physical environment. It's very costly. You have to hire actors. You have to build out sets to do this. With augmented reality, especially with the type that Magic Leap does, which is highly immersive and precise, you can recreate and modify environments with digital content and train those officers over and over and over again. So these highly rare scenarios become rote for them. It becomes a very common thing for them to do. These are the areas we're seeing incredible traction in AR and where we're delivering value today. This is not a future promise. I think we hear a lot about someday with the metaverse and someday AR you'll be able to do this. Magic Leap is delivering those things today, and I highly encourage you to come in, take a look, sign up, or actually just get into line for demos because you'll start to see just how incredibly immersive this content is and how precise and accurate Magic Leap 2 is able to deliver that content into the physical world. Thank you.
Welcome. Do you want to do a shot with the glasses on before you start? Or you do it later, I'm sorry.
I think all the glasses are connected by cable, so let me grab it. 帮我拔个眼镜儿，然后不要那根线。How's that? Will this work?
Yeah. If anybody, you should have a pair, right?
There we go.
Beautiful.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, it's getting real.
Thank you. Oh. Thank you very much.
Can we get started? Okay. Well, thank you for coming to our booth. The company is called XReal. 5 years ago at AWE, we demoed our product for the very first time to the world. Back then, the company was called Nreal. We just rebranded to XReal. What the big deal is for today, we announced on May 25th something called a spatial display. Now, for AR experiences, one of the key components is computer vision. Is how you are able to position an image in air, right? And historically, 3DoF tracking, 6DoF tracking type of experience only exist within AR. So you can experience these things only when you run AR applications. But they're not applicable if you want to play streaming media off your phone, if you want to play Steam Deck, right? So we announced this little device right here. It's called the X-Real Beam. And the design of this is really to bring what we call spatial display to universal compatibility. So this device will turn everything you have into spatial display, right? Which means a 3 degree of freedom tracking. The image will stay fixed in air. It doesn't matter how you move your head, it only moves with your body. We are also introducing 2 additional display modes with this. One's called Smooth Follow. What it does is that when you're in a moving vehicle, the image always shakes somewhat. And we're using algorithm to smooth that out. So when the car vibrates, you're seeing a steady still image, right? And there's another mode called a side view, which means that when you want to get up and walk somewhere, you can move, shrink, and move the image to the side. So you can watch the video while you were walking, right? So spatial display is the thing, and we really wanted to build this as a standard for future entertainment experiences. Now, with our glasses, you have a 330-inch screen in your pocket, and in addition to the to the mirroring mode that was available, from before. Now you get the full benefit of computer vision powered 3DoF tracking, what we call spatial display, right? So this is what the big deal is. We call it the best TV innovation since TV, right? So I hope you guys will have time to come around and to try the demos, and I hope you guys will like our product. Thank you very much for coming.
All right, everybody, the good news is, what time is it? It's show open time. We got this down. Flawless victory, to quote Mortal Kombat.
For the guy.
Thank you very much. So, I know any hold I had over your bodies, mind, and souls, I hereby exercise you. Go to the 4 winds, go to the companies that are most interesting to you. You've got maybe a minute before those doors open. So, thank you all again. You've been wonderful. Enjoy your show. Thank you so much.
You're the greatest.